Assalamu alaikum. Here's the construction update for this week. Alhamdulillah, the carpentry contractors continue working on the ceiling grid. They are almost complete except for the areas where drywall domes are in the ceiling. The elevator contractor started and is about halfway complete. The floor tiles will start in about a week in the front area of the building. The stone contractors were here to measure for granite and should start installing any day now. The electrical contractor is working on lay lighting in the ceiling grid and completed most of their devices on the walls and wall plates. The audio and video contractor was here to install TVs on the first floor and work on wiring in the data closet. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.